Hey everybody, this video we got a American 5200. This was in a box of locks from a few months back. It's in pretty rough shape. I was able to spray some tri-flow in and tap a key blank in, and now it goes in and out without too much trouble. So I did give it another shot of tri-flow a few seconds ago, and we will see if we can get it open. Slowly but surely going through all these locks here. Yeah, going up and down this a couple times here. I think that this is actually pinned up 6, which interesting. I only had a 5-pin blank in it, but it's all right though, because the last pin would still, yeah, we're open. Last pin would still move from the tip of the key, but doesn't matter. We've got this guy here. That's cool. It's one more off the list here. Just got this one to do. Already made a key for it, but would like to pick it on video. This 700. I'm gonna have another 2500 or whatever that's still in the package from a few months ago, sitting by my front door where things seem to end up. Also ordered some plastic too, so I can try to make another follower that will actually work without the without me having to, son of a bitch, spin the lock around like that. I didn't mean to pull that out, but the springs are so shot in it, none of the pins flew out. So who needs a follower, I guess. All right, and so our pins here. See the last pin there, it barely moves with the tip of the key, so that's only a 5-pin blank. So we got pin number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pin 5, pin 3, 2, 1's a tiny one, and 6 is like probably a 3 or a 4. So I need a paper towel. This thing is soaked with tri-flow. And you see what we got going on upstairs here. So we got pin number 1. Let me just spend a few minutes and pick all this shit up too. Alright, so number 1. We have a serrated pin Number 2, we have a spool. Number 3, we have a serrated pin. Number 4, we have a serrated pin. And we will switch around here. Number 6, we have a spool. And number 5, we have a serrated pin. And these springs are not even popping out or anything. They're apparently pretty crushed. So there's all the springs here. All right, got one more lock off my list here. So I think I'm probably going to try the 747 next. So if the next video is not this lock, then you know I failed at it. But I'm going to give it a try anyway. So that'll do it for now. And I guess we'll talk to everybody later.